Well, YouTube, I'm going down so I can show you how much snow's on the ground. But you can see on my stairs it's pretty deep. I'm hoping we'll get some thunder and lightning while I'm out here because it has started to thunder and lightning. Whoa. Sorry, slow going because it's so deep. Okay, here's my, I don't know if you can see my foot down here in this, but it's pretty deep. Show you my hand. So, that's pretty deep. We've gotten a lot more snow than I thought. Wow. I'll let y'all see. Whew. I think it's safe to say that in half an hour, or 45 minutes, I'm sorry, in 45 minutes, I guess we've gotten about 4.5 inches. Wow. Didn't realize it was that deep. Just gonna see if I can get a good angle for y'all so you can see just how hard it's coming down. Anyway, give you another update later, YouTube. See ya.